Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream roll in bakery. Preheat oven to the recommended temperature and prepare a lined baking sheet while you mix the batter. Combine dry ingredients, then whisk in eggs and melted butter until smooth and slightly aerated. Pour thin batter into the pan and bake until springy. Cool briefly, spread filling, and roll gently to form the classic cream roll shape. Start by whipping the cream filling to soft peaks and fold in any flavorings or stabilizers. Keep the filling cold so it sets quickly against the slightly warm cake. Lay the baked sheet on a clean surface, remove the lining, and spread filling in a thin, even layer. Use the lining to lift and guide the cake as you roll from the short edge for a tight, neat cream roll with defined swirls. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more baking tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers, recipe reading, and mood music while you bake. It fits neatly on a counter and makes multitasking in the kitchen smoother and more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Watch oven times closely because thin sponge layers can overbake quickly and dry out. Check early and remove when the cake springs back gently and shows no raw batter. Cooling slightly before rolling helps prevent cracks while still allowing the cake to form a stable spiral. If cracks appear, trim edges or patch with extra filling. Proper timing and gentle handling make the difference between a tidy roll and a broken one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.